Firstly, Sharvari, I have to ask you, uh, while we are all talking about how amazing you are having this year, like two releases already hits and one more out there and one in pipeline, but like you had to wait for 3 years for this phase to happen. Was it nerve-wracking during this time to kind of, because you had done the shoot, you knew the product was good, but it was still taking time to come out. Was it nerve-wracking to kind of wait, and because you had just started, how was that time dealing with the weight of it all?
Honestly, Maharaj is something that I shot right after Bunty or Bubbly 2. And as an actor, what matters is that you're on set and you're doing what you love. And I was exactly doing that. I know that it has been a while since people saw my work come out, but as an actor, I knew that for me, I just wanted to be on set every single day. And I love being in front of the camera. I love being in prepping for a film. And I think I have always been in that journey. So for me, it wasn't anything different because I get to do what I love every day. You know, I know that everything is released this year, and it's been the most grateful year of my life. But for me, I was okay. I was happy because I was still performing as an actor and I was working behind the camera. और उसका भी एक अलग मजा है. In fact, उसमें और ज़्यादा मजा भी आता है.
Sharvari, I would like to ask you, how much pressure do you feel giving two hit films back to back, and now again a Spy Wars with YRF? So, how is working with Alia? Is there any pressure on you? And these expectations are going high and high. So, how do you take this?
Honestly, ma'am, I've ever since I've wanted to be an actor, I've manifested to be here. I've dreamt of these days every single night, and I think that there is no pressure. I think that I'm very, very happy to be where I am. I am very grateful to be where I am. तो pressure तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. And of course, Alia is my favorite actor, and to be able to work with her, I think is a incredible opportunity. It's like being in a master class for acting, and I get this opportunity, so I'm going to use it to the best of my ability because ये मौका मुझे इतना जल्दी मिला है in my career that I must use it. Otherwise, I can't let it go to waste.
Sharvari, you are being in like lucky basket for every movie now, है ना?
Sweet,
Whichever
thank you.
you do, तो वो तो ऐसा करके ऊपर जाती है कि मतलब आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर मत दो यार, थोड़ा डार्क चॉकलेट दे दो.
डार्क चॉकलेट, चलो डार्क चॉकलेट.
वेल मैं जानना चाहूँगी आपने गुजराती एक्सेंट तो सीख लिया फ्रेंड की मम्मियों से बात करके, और गुजराती खाना भी टेस्ट किया, थेपले एंड ऑल?
बहुत सारा.
हाँ.
अब सिर्फ सर को पूछिए. हम गुजरात गए थे टू शूट, एंड माय फेवरेट थिंग वाज अ थाली. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी लैंडेड, जुनेद, वर वी टुगेदर?
थाली खा चुकी थी.
Oh yes.
So the minute we
yes.
landed, they said कि okay आप सब यहाँ जा सकते हैं, यहाँ buffet है. I said हम नहीं जाएंगे, हम सब थाली खाने जाएंगे. And I looked at Junaid and I said, where do we go? And we've just gone. We've had the first thali we had as soon as we landed in Ahmedabad. After that, we traveled and we've had some 3 thalis. I remember that even on an off day, I've gone and had a Thakkar's ka thali somewhere in Rajkot. I love Gujarati food, and I've eaten a lot of it.
मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है अभी.
Now she doesn't eat any
But
food.
आप सिर्फ डार्क चॉकलेट खा सकते हो.
है ना? लेकिन आपके साथ तो खा लूंगी थाली मेरे शो पे. थैंक यू शर्वी.
So actually, like Sharvari was saying, that we were doing our work. I was doing Jayesh Bhai, and I did around the lockdown we shot this. So I was very happy shooting because people didn't have work. And after the lockdown, during, we were really scared and there were uncertain times. But हम काम कर रहे थे, तो मेरे लिए वही बड़ी खुशी की बात है. And उसके बाद भी I have finished 2 projects, so I was working. So again, like as I think as actors, we love being on set. हमें काम करना पसंद होता है. That's why we do what we do, and we get money for that. So I mean, nothing could be better than that. So I mean, I was happy that I was working. Of course, I feel this was not in my control. I think I can only worry about things that are in my control. This is not in my control. Of course, it upsets you sometimes, but then you move on. I mean, I can't do anything about it, so I don't worry about it a lot. But yes, I'm happy that it is out, and I'm happy that it's getting the love that we thought and we wanted it to. And yeah, so thank you so much.